Gloria, you know, beat my cake. Jamaican rum cake.
This is how you stand on a train. If you're not from New York, I can't tell you. I can't breathe, I'm sweating, I feel disgusting. Kim thinks we're over exaggerating. I felt like she's the only one cold, we're all hot. Kim, you wanna go on camera? After TSA, I need a shower. I just feel literally disgusting.
Yeah, she's dramatic. And you have the longest showers.
Alright.
Wait.
Good morning. Let's go. How do you plan on drinking your smoothie with your mask on?
I don't know.
The people want to know.
I don't know.
Guys, so we are going to Miami for the weekend. Kind of nervous because COVID is raising. So we are going to be taking full precautions. I can't breathe in this mask. I'm still waiting for my friend Diamond. I don't know where she's at, but I think she was here like hours ahead of us. Really? You're going to be so extra? Diamond. Hey! You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up. I can't deny, I can't deny, Don't look like a creep. It's so deep. Y'all know I hate hard liquor, so I'm about to splurge on some wine. Best wine time. This is the best wine, guys. This is usually stacked in my house. Okay, this is a staple. Like that a lot. Yes, like it's so good. Like it's just basic, and I was drinking it for like 6 years. So this is the shit. Tony, what you got? What you got in your hair?
Natural ginger beer.
Oh, yeah, that sounded nasty. Look at her with look at short. Yeah. It's backward. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You know. Doritos and Skittles, and I want to take this mask off in the room, do my makeup, and get cute. So until then, more robes. Take it anymore. So stupid. Get your hoodie out of here.
I'm sorry. Simone, Sharice, you gonna take pictures on this?
Yes, I am. Damn, y'all locking me out already?
We were recording.
Oh, my bad. Alright, guys, we got to get ready. I claim a robe.
No. We claimed ours.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my robe on, get ready for tonight, and get my robe. Everybody looks nice. The birthday guy. Yes.
Yeah, I just talked to him.
Y'all look nice. Y'all ready for the road?
Right? Everybody's looking nice.
Ready, Marty? Y'all look nice.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot.
Dandara, next time?
Yeah, man.
That is you all the way.
I'm drinking a like lemon drop. I wasn't gonna drink because I didn't eat all day, but I just had shrimp and
So long ago.
it's good. But yeah, it's really good, guys. How was your calamari?
It was awesome.
What are you ordering for food?
I ordered steak with mashed potatoes, with onions on the side, and also and a lobster tail.
Damn, you eat it for 5.
No, I'm gonna eat later at the hotel when I get hungry.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. I only got occasion pasta, so that's all.
I'm gonna put that thing right in the microwave while y'all sleep.
I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do.
She wants to walk around, and I do not want to walk around. I would like to sit here.
I need her to show you guys the view, and she's wasting the opportunity to show you guys.
I'll show them the view 5 minutes before we have to leave. How about that?
That is terrible because the car is gonna be waiting on us.
Like, I don't have the energy.
Yes, you do.
Like,
If you get up, you'll see.
I'm full.
But you have the energy to get up and go to the car. It's the same thing.
Yeah, because it's a one-stop shop, and then I'm going back into the room. That my drink didn't even hit me. I should have drank it before I ate.
That's the more reason why you should get up.
I should have drank. Diamond was sleeping in the car on the way here.
I was power napping.
No, she was like.
No, I was not.
Yes, she was.
Yeah, actually I was. Because my head was down. I was mad uncomfortable. I was listening to Deja raga music. In my head of
right? First of all, how you go from Burna Boy to Jay-Z?
All them songs I have never heard of
Me
in my life.
Right? We're trying to say don't pass her the aux.
I'm just old. So
I'm not taking over. You are. Nobody else wants to type those long names.
And you're so dedicated to it because he was like searching.
Really?
Was it good?
It was dumb good. You got nothing on this. You would have had to go to like 3 restaurants before you finally find flavor. First restaurant in Florida.
Honey, I got what you want, got what you need.
Hey, put the mask on. Put the mask on. Hey, it's your cake.
Jamaican rum cake.
Wow.
Gloria, you know, beat my cake.
Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I hate y'all. Naked on this boat. Do y'all see that?
Yo.
But
She come round and see for herself, so we do whatever the fuck what we want.
so we are back at the hotel now and finally opened my drink. Yeah. We were watching our stories over because, like, you know when you post and you just rewatching it. You keep rewatching it and you're just like, this shit is fucking cringe. So we went back and rewatched it, but I took out all my cringy ones. She got more cringy ones than me.
Hey, girl.
Guys, I want to take my wig off so bad because I just got so used to not sleeping in it, and so I pulled up half of it already, and I think I'm gonna rock it glueless for the rest of the time because I think I'm losing my edges from that one night that I had it on. I can't right now. Take out my braids. Just right. Don't take out all of it. Just fix the part that hurts. I want to take my braids out so bad.
So you gonna re-braid it in the morning?
You didn't get what she just said.
What is that a reference to? I heard you're only supposed to watch it once. Should got honey.
Oh my God, this is so much freaking better.
She worked a lot in mine too.
Good morning. Shut up. This lighting is horrendous, and to be honest, I don't even know what I look like in real life because in here it's just red orange and I can't tell what my foundation color is, so I'm just winging it. If I look crazy in this camera, don't come for me. So today I'm going down by the pool to get some content listen bitch, this room is expensive, so I figure I'm gonna get all my content out while I can on a pretty ass grounds. But it's really nice out. It was supposed to be raining today, so I'm hoping to get everything I need to get done. Now it's 9 a.m. Usually when I go places, I always try to do all my work ahead of time so that later on I could just play, have fun, and not worry about like, did I get pictures and certain things so I could tag certain brands. So vacations will always work for me, but I like to do my work in the morning, get it out the way before everyone kind of like starts to get ready, and then later on I have the day to myself. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I did my hair, makeup, everything. I have my tripod right here. Look, it's cute, right? It's really high cut and really thong like. So but yeah, I'm gonna see you guys downstairs.
So tell me what you're thinking of.